This here is a Golf 4 GTI engine, 1.8 table. From below, when you've removed an oil pan, you have that timing chain here. Still intact, still in place. You have the oil intake right there. There's a sieve inside it to save the oil from the oil pan into the engine. You have the oil pump here connected to the oil intake there. The oil pump pumps the oil from the oil pan right the way up there into the engine. You have the dipstick here, or the oil checker, which comes from the front of the engine in the bonnet, under the bonnet, and goes like that as minimum and maximum. Oh yeah, I don't think this one shows the temperature, like when the oil is hot and when the oil is cold. What are the ranges? We have here this is number 4 piston. This is your bearings that are holding the crankshaft together. We have the crankshaft right there, from number 4 all the way, 4 pistons all the way, right here below above the oil pump, right there. You'll see that number 1 and number 4 pistons. This is a 4-cylinder engine. Number 4 pistons, they are in sync. And if you check for the other 2 pistons that are in between number 2 and 3, which are right there inside, if you can peep inside there, you'll see that we have this number 2 and 3 pistons that are in sync. And what we have here, oh, this is pretty. You have here this plastic. What does it do? Probably just, oh yeah, it protects the cylinders, the main block of the engine, from getting any dirt from the oil pan, if there should be any. See, and right here we have our flywheel. Just above here, we have our flywheel pressure plate that connects the gearbox to the engine with the pressure plate in. This is the housing of the gearbox. Pressure plate and so that's it from below.